In this video, we will talk about using the HTML editor in the SiteLink form setup screen. To access this, you're going to go to Company, Setup, and then Form Setup. In the Form Setup screen, here is a list of all of the default forms along with your custom forms that you can edit. For each individual form, you can either edit an RTF or HTML format. I'm going to arbitrarily choose the past due notice. You'll notice that right now, the format that is being used is RTF, which is, in a sense, like Notepad. It's a very simple editor, similar to Word, where you can bold, italicize, delete your verbiage. The HTML editor allows you to have more functionality, specifically relating to images. If you put an image or a logo into an RTF format, it's going to come up more than likely and tell you that the file size that you're putting into the document is too large and you have to make it smaller. Oftentimes when customers make an image smaller, the file, the image, doesn't look as sharp. So if you highlight a form and click Use HTML and edit the form, we have different options specifically for adding a logo. If you right-click on the logo and click on Image Properties, if you put your image on the internet or on your website and put that URL here, that image can be as large as you want it to be because SiteLink is not hosting it. That is where the limitation comes in. If SiteLink had to host large images for all customers, it would slow down the program. So if you host the image, you can have as large of an image as you want. You could also have clicked anywhere else in the form and clicked Insert and then Image, and the same process would come up where you put in the picture source URL to click OK. You can put in any HTML that you want into this document. You may or may not be well versed in HTML. If you are so inclined to write HTML into the form, you can do so. Most people use the HTML editor when dealing with putting in large image file sizes, when making the decision on whether or not they're going to use the RTF or HTML. If we click Use HTML and click Save, you'll now notice that the past due notice says HTML.